Still blood there. There's blood drops there and everywhere.
We are the Bracketteers.
Alright, the time has come. Dreaded house cleaning. Yeah, so Bentley has a special somebody coming over today. So my parents are going to bring their dog over. T-O-V-A. I have to spell it out because he knows who it is when I say the name. And he gets very excited. I don't want him to get overly excited. But my parents will be bringing T-O-V-A over in a little bit. So I'm going to try and clean this table off because every time my mom comes to our house is like a disaster mess. Like, I know it's not like super duper bad, but at the same time, I mean, we should be kind of taking care of it a little bit better. So yeah, we just got stuff everywhere. We really need more like cabinets and stuff to put things in, like all this, because our little food pantry thing over there is already stuffed to a brim. Refrigerator, you know, can't put all this stuff that doesn't need to be refrigerated in there. And then we constantly have dishes everywhere, which I know dishes are dishes and they build up really, really fast, especially when you're not eating out all the time. So yeah, we just need to learn better to put things away. Like, this could be up here with the popcorn. This could be in the cupboard. This could be in the cupboard. This could be stored away somewhere else. You know, this whole area. Everything just needs to be cleaned. So my goal today is to clean this table off and make it look presentable so it doesn't look like we're like these weirdos that don't ever clean the house. So, Bentley, shall we start? We shall start cleaning the table! Alright, let's do it! Alright, so Bentley's BFF came over for a little bit. They were very short on staying, but they did a really good job. Bentley and Tova were very cute together in the house. I would have filmed it, but it was a little on the chaotic side, and we didn't know how the animals were going to behave, so we kind of had to like make sure that they behaved themselves and stuff. But Bentley looks like he had some fun. Did you have fun with your buddy? Did you have fun? Yeah. Alright, so we did go outside, and we were running around. The animals were playing. Billy, want to go outside? Come here. So, animals were running around a bit, and then all of a sudden, there's like blood everywhere. And like they weren't fighting or any like weird stuff or anything. But Tova came over onto the sidewalk here. So all these little splats on the ground here, those are all little blood splats from Tova. So we don't know why she was bleeding, but it looked like she was bleeding from underneath her tongue or like her gums on her teeth or something. But she was having some kind of issues of some sort. But yeah, so we're like, ooh. So then it looked like it stopped bleeding, and then we came back in the house. There's still blood there. There's blood drops there and everywhere. Oh my goodness gracious. So yeah, we're gonna have to go back inside. We're gonna have to clean up the blood drops that were on the ground in the house, which I don't see any on the tile here, but there's a few blood drops on the ground over here. So we're gonna clean those up really fast before Bentley and Luna and me start stepping on them and making a mess. So yeah, we hope that Tova feels better, and we don't know what happened, but I got some on my arm here and then some on my my vlogging hand. So I gotta clean it all up because that's kind of nasty. It's kind of gross. Anyway, so that's the update on Bentley and Tova together. Yeah, they had fun. Did you guys have fun together for a little bit? Yeah. Okay. Well, we're having another day where we're meet together and play and whatnot. But we were concerned about Luna and Tova. And Tova and Luna, I don't know if they're going to behave together very well. But Luna was hissing and kind of throwing a fit and whatnot. But Tova was like, hey, kitty cat. But she did grow up for a few months with my parents' cat. So it's not like she had never been around a cat before. But, yeah, so new cats are always fun and exciting to go and attack and annoy and all that fun stuff. So, yeah, we were looking into babysitting or dog sitting for Tova and seeing if we could bring her over here and see how rambunctious they would be and stuff. And it seems like they'd behave pretty well. They might have rambunctious times and whatnot. But, yeah, so it's up to my parents and what ends up happening with Tova and whatever's going on her mouth and her some of her health ailment problems that she's having at the moment. So anyway, that's all I gotta say for now. And yeah, I'm gonna go clean up this mess before it dries up and gets worse. This time, Siri, trying to talk on the film, on the stuff here. So where are we going this time? Where are we going this time? That is the question.
Dinner.
We seem to drive everywhere. Oh wait, you have to drive to go places.
Oh, I only have 2 bars of gas.
Uh-oh. We're gonna have to stop and go get some gas.
Hopefully we can make it there and get gas on the way back.
I want to get gas on the way going down there. I don't think you'll make it.
We'll stop at the Flying J. It's right off the freeway.
Alrighty, so we have to get gas because Sean's only got 2 bars of gas. And you don't want to run out of gas. Because then we wouldn't be able to get where we're going. And we're going to a friend's birthday party.
Yeah!
Well, is it a birthday party or is it just a small gathering? I'm not really sure.
Well, it's for his birthday, but it's just going to be us and them and Clayton's parents.
Oh, we get to meet Clayton's parents.
Yeah.
Did we meet him last year? Birthday party. Last year he had a big birthday party and we actually filmed that. But it was, around the same time right now. So, yeah. Oh boy, the truck's gonna probably try and get over to us. Hey, truckie. Hey, truckie. Bye, truckie.
Trucky.
We got to end of the truckie's way. Yeah. So we're going up to Lucky Chinese.
Yep. Lucky Chinese.
Gonna go to Lucky Chinese restaurant. I don't think we've ever been there, and it's in Red Bluff, which is a little ways away from us. So we're skedaddling as fast as we can to get there because we made this awesome birthday card. And then we were watching a TV show, and then we looked at the time, and Sean's like, "We gotta go!" Because it takes like half an hour to get there. So, yeah, we're skedaddling, and yet we have to stop and get some gas because we don't want to run dry.
Yep, which is gonna make us even later. Sorry, guys.
Yeah. Sorry, guys. But we made this super awesome card, so and it has stormtroopers on the back side. And Sean did really good on the inside. We may or may not film that, but Sean will tell you about it later on if we don't film it, because it's pretty cool. He's very creative. So I made the card, he did all the writing, and there you have it.
Yeah. I used some stickers and some words and made them work together.
Yeah.
Good stuff.
It's very cute and creative, so it'll be fun to see our friend's reaction when he opens his card. Alrighty, so we stopped at the gas station to get some gas. Sean's out there getting gas. And this here is a TA station. It says, "Welcome, Reading Travel Center." It has Pizza Hut, it has Popeyes, it has a Country Pride. It's got a store in there. Super cool. It's actually a really nice place inside. And they have nice bathrooms and they have showers for all the truck stop peoples and stuff like that. And this car's got this annoying beep, 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 beep sound because I think Sean didn't turn the car off all the way when he went out to get gas. So, or the door's open or something, I'm not sure. What's that beeping sound? What's the beeping sound?
The door's open.
Oh, the door was open, okay. I was trying to figure out what it was all about going on there, so yeah. Anyway, we just got gas and now we're on our way to our place where we're going. So, we will put this back up here so Sean can get directions, and we shall head out to the Chinese restaurant that we're going to. See you!
Doses.
Hello. Welcome to the end of a Bracketteers vlog. How are you doing? Are you new to this channel? If you are, and you've subscribed recently, welcome to Clan B. If you're thinking about subscribing, and you're like, maybe, I don't know, I'd have to see some more stuff. We have more for you to the right. See that over there? A couple videos just for you. Check them out. If you're ready to go, you can hover over our faces below and a subscribe button will pop up for you. It'll just be like, and you just click it or ticket. You don't want to get tickets, so you might as well click it. And then we'll be like, welcome to Clan B, and you'll be like, yay! So go ahead and handle that business. And, because love. And we'll see you guys next time. Deuces!